Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce lasagna. First, let's prepare our creamy white sauce, also known as bechamel. You'll need butter, flour, milk, and your favorite seasonings. Begin by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Then, whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a smooth roux. This is the base for our delicious sauce. Now slowly pour in 3 cups of milk, whisking continuously to ensure a lump-free sauce. Keep stirring as it gently simmers over medium heat until it reaches a lovely, thick consistency. Finally, season your bechamel with a good pinch of salt, some freshly ground pepper, and a hint of nutmeg for that classic flavor. It's truly simple to achieve. With your bechamel ready, it's time to assemble. Start by spreading a thin layer of your creamy white sauce on the bottom of a 9x13-inch baking dish. Next, place a single layer of no-boil lasagna noodles over the sauce. Then, alternate layers of your chosen fillings, like cooked ground meat or vegetables, plenty of cheese, and more white sauce. Repeat these layers. Once assembled, cover your lasagna with foil and bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Then, remove the foil and continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and bubbly. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the layers to set, making for perfect servings. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.